I am an introvert, and so I love my time at home.
Hello, Dolce. Welcome to my home.
Home is where the heart is. My definition of home is it's peace, it's comfort, it's love. And I wanted to share with others the things that truly give me that sense of comfort and peace. You're in meetings with a lot of men, and I've felt most confident and comfortable wearing black turtlenecks and black pants. I just wanted to, in some ways, blend in, but just make sure that it was more my ideas that came out as opposed to like being distracted by color or anything like that. And so for me, it was about confidence, and it was, strangely enough, about blending in a little bit. I started ShopNK a couple of years ago, more so with my favorite, items, whether it be clothing or my favorite candles. And this year, what I really wanted to do, because we've been spending so much time at home, I wanted to focus on all the elements that truly ground us within our, the space that we live in.
And away we go.
One of the reasons why I started ShopNK in the first place was because I wanted people to be mindful of the choices and the decisions that they make when they make a purchase. If you make a conscious decision of actually choosing the charity when you're checking out, then you start to learn more about the charity, and therefore you might continue that process of donating or learning more about that cause, or maybe finding your own charity that you want to give back to on a more consistent basis. One of the things I'm most proud of is the work that we've done in Haiti. The Artists for Peace and Justice, that's a charity that's obviously very important to me. It was something that I started 13 years ago, and we've raised over $33 million for the children of Haiti. We built the very first free high school in Port-au-Prince. A girl that I met 2 years ago that's now at university in Montreal, and she was one of our graduates. And she's now going to nursing school, and then she's going to go back to Haiti to be able to help her community be better.
I'm feeling so close to you, never thought it would come true. I'm feeling so
My definition of La Dolce Vita, it's about being surrounded by love, being surrounded by authenticity, genuine people. But I would also say it's about giving of yourself to others genuinely, and really sort of finding something that you can connect with where you're making a meaningful impact on someone else's life.